Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everyone, and how do you do? How are you, children? You are fine. Okay. So, children, now tell me which day will come after Thursday. Can you tell me which day will come? Yes, good job. Friday. So, children, today is Friday. Today is Friday. And do you remember which sound we learned yesterday? Can you tell me which sound is this? Zzz. Very good. Which sound is this? Zzz. Zzz. So children, today we will revise all the sounds. Okay. So today we will revise all the sound. Before revise all the sound, we will sing song related to the Z sound. Z sound. Can you all sing? Yes? Okay. Can you all stand up? Please children stand up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Good. Very good. Now stand up and sing with me. Are you ready? Oh, yes. Okay, now sing with me. Okay. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Zzz for zoo, zzz for zigzag, zzz for zip, zzz for zero, zzz for zebra. Okay. So children, which sound we learned yesterday? Zzz. Okay. Now we all revise all the sound. So children, now okay children, so now we will revise sound again A to Z. Okay, now listen carefully and we will do some activity from the book. Okay, okay children. Okay children, now see A. A. A for see children, ant, ant, ant. A for ant. Children, b, b, b for see children, bat, bat. Okay, now see k, 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 k for cat, cat. Okay, d, d, d for doll, d for doll. Okay, a, a, a for engine, a for engine, engine. Okay, now for fish, fish. G, g, g for guitar, g for guitar. Okay, now H for hammer, hammer. Okay, I, I, I for iguana, iguana. Okay, children. J, j. Which sound is this? J. J for jacket, jacket. See? jacket. Okay. See. Kh, kh, kh. Kh for kite, kite. Okay. L, l, l for lion, lion. Okay, see children. The sound is this. For monkey, monkey. Monkey. Okay. See. For nut, nut. For ostrich, ostrich. Okay, see children. For peacock, peacock. Quack, quack, quack. Quack for question. See, question. R, for rose. For sun, sun. Okay, see. T, t, t for teddy, teddy. Okay, see children. For under, under. Okay. For vase, vase. Okay. V, v, v. V for ball, ball. For Xmas tree, Xmas tree. Okay. Y, y, y for yellow, yellow. And z, z for zero, zero. Okay children, now we will do activity. All of you take out this book. Okay, now see children. Okay children, now see. Take out alphabet, small letters book. Alphabet, small letter. Take out page number 1818. 1818. Okay, so children, A for ant. So children, join the sounds with the pictures. Okay, now see. A for ant. So you have to join like this. B for bear. So you have to match. Okay, now cow. So you have to match like this. Okay, so children, you also do like this. Okay, and take out page number 3 to 32. 3 2 32. So children, circle the correct sound for each picture. Okay. So which picture is this? Apple. Apple. A. So you have to circle. And which picture is this? Fish. Yes. Fish. Fish. For fish. So you have to circle. Cat. Cat. Kh. So you have to circle kh sound. Okay. Now, which picture is this? Duck. Very good. And duck, with sound it starts b. Am I right? No. With sound da. So you have to circle. And which picture is this? Balloon. With sound it starts b. So you have to circle. But eagle साउंड से रिलेटेड नहीं है, तो आप लोग ये वाले पिक्चर्स नहीं करेंगे. ओके ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क. You also do this page. Now take out page number, turn the page and take out page number 6060. 6060. 60. 6 tens, 0 ones. 60. Okay. So see children, here you have to trace all the sounds. Okay. Now how to trace? You have to trace in 2 lines. Some letters sounds 2 lines and some sounds 3 lines. Okay. So now first of all you have to trace a sound. A. Curve. Standing line. A. B. Standing line. Curve. B. Kh. Curve. Kh. D. Standing line. Curve. D. A. Sleeping line and curve. A. Small curve and standing line and sleeping line. With sound G. Curve. Standing line. Go up. G. H. Standing line. Down curve. H. A. Standing line. Let's stop. A. J. Standing line. Curve. J. K. Standing line. Slanting line. Slanting line. K. L. Standing line. So children, you also trace like this. Okay, neat and clean. Okay children, now take out page number 116. 116 and see children, join the sounds with the correct pictures. Okay, so which sound is this? X, x, x for X-ray. So you have to join. Okay, x for X-ray. And which sound is this? V, v for vase. So you have to join like this. And which sound is this? V, v for well. So you have to match. You also do this page neat and clean. Okay children, this is your homework. You do all the page nicely. We will meet you soon. Bye bye.